This one took a hit in this left rear corner here. I'm gonna have to weld a tab on here and make a light pull just to make sure my fitment is good in this back corner.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone. This ain't a persona.
Alright, I just want to fit this bumper up, make sure it fits properly, which it looks like it does. So I'm going to pull it back off and get this one primed up, get it over to the paint department. Alright, I have a GMC Terrian here. This one took a hit in this left rear corner here, and it had a bunch of suspension damage. That's all already done. And this corner is pushed in right here a little bit. And actually the corner of this quarter panel, this is all rolled in some. So I am going to have to weld a tab on here and make a light pull to bring this corner out. This corner's in probably about a 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna walk that out, then I got a little work to do down here. So this one also has a little damage up in this front corner from whenever the wheel and tire and everything got hit. pushed all this in, rolled all this, so I'm going to do some repair work right up in here, get that fixed up, and then it'll be ready to prime up. So I went ahead and sat the bumper on this Terrain just to make sure my fitment is good in this back corner. It looks really nice, so I'm going to go ahead and lift this off and I will get this thing primed up here shortly.